that you have to trust the process. Got that girl ready for Christmas. That's how they be, y'all, when they get their makeup done. That's how they be. We are here and ready for action, okay? Oh, snap. Oh. Hey YouTube, it's TheRealJDoll here on TheRealJDoll's channel, bringing you day 1 of 12 days of Christmas. I really wanted to name it 12 days of Jameis or 12 days of JDoll, but you know, people probably not gonna look that up, so I need to give people something that we're gonna look up. So boom, 12 days of Christmas. So excited for day 1, and I sat down and I was really trying to figure out what can I do for day 1. So I sat and thought, and guess what? For my birthday, I actually got a new palette. I got the James Charles palette with Morphe, and I've been wanting this for a long time, so I said, why don't I use this for the first time doing a Christmas look for day 1. So this is what we're going to be doing today. You guys already seen the look on the thumbnail, but you know, I'm going to go ahead and do it. And y'all, I have never done a blue shadow look anything before, so this is like probably one of the most creative eye makeup looks I've ever done. So we're gonna hope for the best. Hopefully this turns out right. So let me go ahead and do my eyebrows and go ahead and get the face started, and then we're gonna go ahead and get into this wonderful Christmas look. Okay guys, so the eyebrows are done. Quick disclaimer for anybody new coming to my channel, I am not a makeup guru, professional in any type of way out. You want to know how I'm not even a guru? This is an inspired look. I mean, I was going to tell you guys that anyways, but this is an inspired look. I actually got my laptop right here so I don't mess up, okay? I have her video linked in the description box below if you want to go watch hers, but you know, you're already watching mine, so. So, got my palettes, and for this look, for those who actually have the palettes, I will be using Hello, Playground, Brother, and Cola. I might use acapella a little. I don't know. Gosh, I'm so scared to touch it. These are the brushes that I will be using for this look. So first I'm going to start off with Brother. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. Wait. Oh. I'm just going to be packing this right. Me with a blue eye? What? Oh! Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm going. Oh, I look crazy. I'll go and do this other eye. Okay, are these the same? Oh, no, they're not. I don't know. Okay. Next, I'm gonna go with this lighter blue. Hold on, let me see what color this is. It's called Playground, and I'm so scared. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm just gonna put this right. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh, this is not cute. This is not cute. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Now the next thing the lady said was to get another brush and blend this out. Oh. Then she took the darkest blue, and my darkest blue is Cola, and just put that in the crease area, I guess, to help give it some, like, I don't know, some depth in your eye. I know this is not the right kind of brush. I can feel it. Now she's taking her concealer. She's gonna do a cut crease. I'm going to take this e.l.f. concealer that I got that's really like yellow white-ish and try to make a cut crease. Try. When she did hers, I ain't never seen nobody do this like this before, but what she did was she put a little dot right there. She looked up, and that's the line she did her cut crease off of. So I'm gonna do it like that too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my angle brush and I am going to smooth it out with my angle brush. Okay. Put it on the back of my hand, and we're gonna try and draw this cut crease.
many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping.
Cool. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other eye off camera.
So
Okay, wait, focus. Okay, so we got both cut creases. They look pretty symmetrical to me. So the next thing that she said to do was go in with the first blue that we used. So I'm gonna go back in with that first blue, and she said put it right here. We are definitely trusting the process on this one. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Are these even? I think so. Go in with the lighter one and go next to it. So we can do like a little ombre look. And blend. It's not bad, I don't think. But it's not like boom, bow, ah. So we're gonna do the other one.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is.
Then she said take the darkest and then go in right here at the corners just to blend it all. Okay, now that don't look too bad. Oh no, let's go over here. I see it though. Okay. Okay, now we got some dimension. Okay, so next, to get it looking like a winter wonderland, she's gonna take a brush just like this. So I know I'm using the right brush. And you're gonna take the white and just pack it up. Guys, it's not turning white. Let me just start going. Okay. I mean, I guess it's white. Okay, and now guys, I'm just going to start blending. I'm going to try and start like blending them out so they won't look like too harsh lines. And what she doesn't do, but I'm going to do, is I'm going to take this lightest, it's like a glitter almost, and I'm just going to add a little bit of that. Oh, okay, not too bad. So next we're going to do like a line, a white line right on the cut crease. I have a pencil. I really wish I would have got liquid. I thought this was liquid, but it's a pencil, so this eye looks good. This eye starts getting a little fuzzy, but the look isn't too bad. Next thing that she did was she drew snowflakes. Now, if I do a snowflake with this pencil, I don't think it's gonna turn out right. So I'm just gonna try it. You drew a little. Oh, it's not going back now. Okay. You drew a little line. Or that's a big line actually. And then she drew a little X in it. Oh y'all, I'm messing up. Oh, this is bad. Oh, this is bad. And then she just, can y'all tell that's a snow? Oh no. Okay, now that's just, I'm just gonna have that on the one eye. I need the liquid. need the liquid liner. I'm just gonna add some dots for some snowflakes. Call it a day. Oh. Oh man. Alright. I'm gonna put my eyeliner on, my lashes on, and that's like the icing on the cake. So we're gonna see how this look, y'all. We just gonna see how this look put together, okay? Wow, Jay. Oh wow. Y'all, look. Oh, this is why you have to trust the process, okay? I was very discouraged. I didn't think it was gonna come out looking nice. It's not, you know, 100% clear, and I really feel like it's because I had the pencil white liner. I didn't, you know, I didn't have the liquid liner, so the snowflake could be sharp. Like, you can't even tell that's a snowflake. But y'all, oh snap, that girl ready for Christmas. I'm really feeling blue. I didn't think that blue would look, you know, this nice, this put together, but baby, we are here and ready for action, okay? I'm so glad this look came out good. Thank you all for tuning in to day 1 of my 12 days of Christmas. And I will see you tomorrow for day 2. And if you see me with the same look in tomorrow's video, that's because I just recorded this video after this one. So yeah. For all my people in school, have an awesome break. Enjoy your family, your friends, everyone. Like, really cherish those who are next to you. And I will see you in tomorrow's video.
Like frost nipping at your nose. So